Morning, class 10th. I am your English teacher, and in today's class I welcome you all, and in today's class we are going to revise our first chapter that we previously already discussed in our English literature class, but this is our revision time, so I am going to summarize this chapter in a very short way, and after that you have to learn all the exercise question answers, MCQs except the additional questions. ओके तो आपको आपकी जो बुक की एक्सरसाइज में जो भी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं, MCQs हैं, फिलअप्स हैं, आपको सभी लर्न करना शुरू करना है so that you are all prepared for your exams. Okay, so this chapter, The Book That Saved the Earth is written by Claire Boyke. So this is a futuristic play. I have told you that in this play the historian is basically trying to tell us a story about a book that helped Earth to be saved. Okay, so this play is performed in a historian museum, and it is 20th century. So in this book basically the Martians want to attack the Earth, and there are few main characters like Think Tank, Think Tank, Noodle, Captain Omega, Lieutenant Iota and Sergeant Oob. Okay, so Think Tank was the ruler of Mars, and he sent and its 2 moons, and he is considered to be the most powerful creature in the entire universe. Okay, so his shape was like a moon or egg, and his head was very vast in size, and he is the most powerful creature on the entire universe. वो सबसे ज़्यादा ताकतवर माना जाता था. Noodle, his apprentice, bows to take order from him. Noodles always used to take orders from Think Tank. Okay, Think Tank tells that he wishes to be placed in communication with his manned space probe to the Earth, the planet which he planning to put under the rule. So basically Think Tank want to destroy the Earth, or after that he want to rule on Earth planet also. Okay, so he took into the mirror admires himself, saying that the Martians are a much more handsome race as compared to Earthlings. So he thinks that Martians are more look-wise handsome or intelligent in comparison of Earthlings, यानी कि people of Earth. Okay, who have small heads. उसको लगता था कि हमारे पास जो बड़े दिमाग, जो हमारा साइज है, जो हमारे दिमाग का साइज है वो इतना बड़ा है. So they are और जो अर्थ पे रहने वाले जो ह्यूमन बींग्स हैं उनका जो दिमाग है उस साइज में छोटा है, तो दे आर मोर इंटेलिजेंट देन आवर्स. ओके, मतलब हम ह्यूमन से वो ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट एंड अट्रैक्टिव हैं. He further ordered Noodle to establish contact with the space probe as wishes to conquer Earth before his lunch time. So basically he ordered his apprentice Noodle to make contact with the 2 agents who sent on Earth, and he wanted to conquer the Earth before his lunch time. Noodle replies in positive and leaves. नूडल बहुत ही सकारात्मक रूप से उनको रिप्लाई करता है और वो चला जाता है. एंड ही ट्राई टू कॉन्टैक्ट विद कैप्टन ओमेगा, लेफ्टिनेंट अयोटा एंड सर्जेंट ऊब, हु आर ऑन अर्थ मिशन. appear in sight, and think tank puts on a pair of goggles and orders Noodle to establish Omega, tells that she along and her crew has entered the earth without any accident. Okay, so now Noodles are trying to contact with Captain Omega and Lieutenant Iota and Sergeant Oop. They all are on Earth. Their whole crew is on Earth, and now Think Tank wants to know that they are safely landed on Earth or not. Okay, so here they are landed at a library, and they are all surprised by seeing the books, and it's all different and unique for them as they are not belongs to Earth. Omega suggests that Think Tank may have an idea of what these things are. अब जो थिंक टैंक है, ओमेगा सोचता है कि हम पता नहीं लगा पा रहे हैं ये जो स्क्वायर शेप चीज़ हैं और ये पूरा एक बुक से भरा हुआ जो जगह थी वो आइडिया नहीं लगा पा रहे थे कि ये जगह क्या है. एंड थिंक टैंक वांट्स टू नो वेयर दे आर, so Omega suggests that Think Tank must know where we are. Okay, so उसने Think Tank को रेफर किया कि मे बी जो हमारे हेड हैं, हमारे जो थिंक टैंक, हमारे जो रूलर हैं मार्स के, वो हमें ज़रूर बता पाएंगे कि हम कहाँ हैं. थिंक टैंक आस्क ओमेगा टू होल्ड वन ऑफ दोज थिंग्स क्लोजर टू so that he can take a deeper look. So now Think Tank request or order Omega to come closer to that thing so he can look deeper. ओके, सो मतलब उसको आइडिया हो पाए कि वो चीज़ उसको बहुत नज़दीक से दिखाओ ताकि उसे पता चल सके कि बेसिकली वो चीज़ क्या है. सो यहाँ पर क्या होता है उसके बाद कि जो थिंक टैंक है वो नए उसको लगता है कि दिस इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ सैंडविच जो कि हम ह्यूमंस खाते हैं, ये सैंडविच है. और आफ्टर दैट ही थिंक्स it must be some device that can know that something is wrong or not. So they think tank suggests them different things that it looks like this and that. So at the last of and think tank also told them to try to read it, but by reading they assume everything wrong, and there was nursery rhymes written on that book, like Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. There was a picture also of Humpty Dumpty. So Humpty Dumpty, we all know that it looks like an egg, and the Martian people also look like that. So they start worrying about that thing कि शायद जो इनके पास भी कुछ ऐसे एजेंट्स हैं जो हमें नुकसान पहुंचा सकते हैं, और शायद जो अर्थ है उसने भी प्रोग्रेस कर लिया है. सो नाउ हियर इन दिस स्टेंजा, आफ्टर गल्पिंग द विटामिन्स, ओके, सो इंटेलिजेंस बढ़ाने के लिए हमें पता है कि उन्होंने विटामिन्स भी ली थी अपने आप को, और अपने आप को ताकतवर रखने के लिए, क्योंकि उनको जो बुक जो कि वो सैंडविच सोच रहे थे वो उनको टेस्टलेस लग रहा था. सो दे एट देयर विटामिन्स. Iota start reading a nursery rhyme, and then they start reading the nursery rhymes like hey diddle diddle aloud. Think Tank gets alarmed as he interrupts the line to be that the people on earth become so advanced that they have taught even their domesticated animals about music and space techniques. So now I have told you that they are thinking that the people of Earth are so advanced now, and they also taught their domestic animals how to sing, and they also teach them the space techniques also. The Oop sings Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. He also show a picture of Humpty Dumpty to think, and the think tank interrupts Humpty Dumpty to be his large brain and says that the people of Earth have identified him and they are after him. So by seeing the picture of Humpty Dumpty, they all think that people of Earth now know about him and they are after him. Then they plan to capture Mars mission and invade Mars. और उन्होंने जल्दी से जो मार्स मिशन था उसको आगे बढ़ाते हुए He immediately ordered his crew to leave planet Earth. और उन्होंने जैसे ही हम्प्टी डम्प्टी की जो पिक्चर देखी उसके बाद उन्होंने decide and order his crew to leave the Earth and they move out from there. And जल्दी से जल्दी वहाँ से जाने के लिए Omega, Iota and Oop rush about and keep the books back in the shelves. और उन्होंने बुक्स वापस रख दी. And Noodles asked Think Tank about their new destination. Think Tank says that they will move 100 million miles away from Mars. And now they also decide to leave the Mars planet because they think that people of Earth now knows his destination and people are following him. और उनका प्लान जो था that ends there. So they decided to leave the Earth and Mars also, and this is how a book saved all Earthlings or Earth. The historians appear back and says that this is the way of a nursery rhyme saved the Earth from Martian invasion. And as that after 500 years of all this happened, the people Earth re-established their contact with Martians and even become friendly. So इसके बाद जब ये मार्शियंस इन्वेजन कैंसिल हुआ उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि 500 साल बाद जो मार्शियंस थे उनके contact earthling से और people of earth become friendly and now they are friends. And by that time Think Tank was replaced by Noodles. So now who is the boss? Noodle is the new boss of Martians and he had become the chief of Mars. The historian chuckles and say that the earthlings have also taught Martians the difference between books and sandwich. और फिर जो लोग थे अर्थलिंग से जब उनके फ्रेंडली कांटेक्ट हो गए आफ्टर दैट दे टॉट देम दैट there are big difference between books and sandwiches. So this is all about this chapter. I cut it very short. So now you have to learn these all textual questions and we are done with our first chapter revision. Please learn these questions and I hope after exams you will score good, and thank you for your time. Have a good day, students.